Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression, chapter number 1, class 10, and let's discuss about arithmetic progression. Okay, so in this chapter there are three concepts mainly. First one, formation of AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Second one, finding nth term of an AP and AP. AP. The last one is sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, these are our three mainly concepts in chapter number 1, arithmetic progression from NCERT or 10th class. Okay, class 10th, class 10th. Okay, so basically numbers are arranging like A1, A2, A3 and so on an called AP. Okay, so whenever it is, generally we can represent first number as A1, A2 and so on an. Okay, this type of representation we can call arithmetic progression. So basically formation of AP is like we need some more terms in this arithmetic progression. First is first term of given AP, that is A is exactly equal to A1. After this you need to find the common difference. Okay, common difference D, that is equal to second term, that is final term minus initial term. Okay, let me consider A2 minus A1 here, so we will get D here. Okay, by using these two we can form all this arithmetic progression. Okay, that means AP by using first term and common difference. So basically common difference is also positive or negative or 0, काहीही असू शकतो. ओके, याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन तयार करण्यासाठी फर्स्ट टर्मची गरज लागणार आहे आणि कॉमन डिफरन्सची. ओके, आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स कसा असला पाहिजे, पॉझिटिव्ह देखील चालेल, निगेटिव्ह देखील चालेल आणि 0 देखील चालेल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पॉईंट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन AP. सो फर्स्ट वन, we need to form first term of AP like A1 called A, then second term A2 called A plus D. Okay, so A1 is equal to A, then A2 is equal to, याच्यामध्ये D एक कॉमन डिफरन्स जर ॲड झाला तर आपल्याला सेकंड टर्म मिळतं. लाईकवाईज A3 इज इक्वल टू A plus 2D, A4 is equal to A plus 3D and so on. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our nth term of AP. So here it is, A2 is equal to A plus D, then A3 is equal to A plus 2D, A4 is equal to A plus 3D and so on and so on. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so this is the concept of formation of arithmetic progression. This one, I hope you clear this concept, formation of AP. Okay, by using first term and common difference. Okay, after this we need to find nth term. Okay, in this arithmetic progression our n term is this an. So we need to find the value of an by using an is exactly equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here also a is equal to first term, d is equal to common difference, and n is equal to number of terms. And an is equal to value of nth term. Okay, now sum of the n terms. Okay, so by using this we need to sum of this arithmetic progression. Sum means what? We need to sum a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus and so on plus an. Okay, after this is summation, we can call the sum of nth term of arithmetic progression. Okay, so how we going to discuss this? Okay, simply is it Sn. Let's define Sn is equal to like a plus d plus a plus 2d plus and so on plus a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the one given arithmetic summation of given arithmetic progression. Same you have to take reverse, like Sn is equal to reverse, that means the last term first here, a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, right? Then a plus n minus 3 into d, likewise and so on. Last term is first term, that is this. Okay, so after this, by finding the formula for sum, we need to take like this. One sum is like this and the another one reverse. Okay, so we need to add Sn plus Sn, Sn plus Sn. That means we need to add term wise addition like this. Okay, so a1 plus a, that is 2a. Okay, so n minus 1 is not there, so I will take directly n minus 1 into d plus, okay, again the second term with this second term, first term with this first term, addition. Okay, here also addition. Okay, so here it is a, here it is a, that is 2a plus here it is 1d, here it is n minus 2d. So 1d minus plus n minus d, so it will become n minus 1d. Okay, plus here also again this term with this term, addition. Okay, here it is a, here it is a, 2a plus here it is 2d, here it is n minus 3d. Whenever we add this, it will become n minus 1d, n minus 1d, and so on the last term. Here it is the last term and here it is the last term, make them addition. Okay, here it is a, here it is a, again 2a plus here it is n minus 1d, n minus 1d. Okay, so how many times we will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d term here? 1, 2, 3 and so on, n times. Okay, so because of we get here n times same term, so I will multiply this term with n, that is n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it clear? So now see the this side, Sn plus Sn, Sn plus Sn is exactly equal to 2Sn. Okay, whenever we take x plus x, we can take 2x. Like this, Sn plus Sn is 2Sn. So we need only Sn formula. So I will take this to this side, that is n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and this is our required formula for sum of nth term. Okay, this is our required formula, okay, for this concept, sum of nth term. Okay, after this some more formulas like this there. Okay. After this there are two more formulas for sum of, this is the first one, and another one is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Okay, so here it is the second formula for the sum. Okay, and the last one Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, so n is the value of the nth term, l is the length of the arithmetic progression. Okay, so these two also our formulas for finding sum of nth terms. Okay, so this much concepts we going to discuss in this chapter. So this is the just basic concepts. Okay, I hope you get this, I hope you clear these points, and thank you so much.